Hey guys, hello and welcome to the EROS official YouTube channel. Today we're checking out MF200. This is a 10 kg smart washing machine, very unlikely from your regular washing machine. It has Wi-Fi control, so you can control all the stuff that's going on in this using your Wi-Fi, which is on an app, which makes it so cooler. And you also have a lot of state-of-the-art technologies. For one, it has a brushless motor. What the brushless motor does is make sure there's no vibrations, there's no sound, and it's very energy efficient, which is why this has a 5-star rating. Make sure that this is the most efficient washing machine that you can pick up. You've got the HealthGuard over here, which makes sure that you have steam clean, you have special filters which resist against pollens and all the other things that you might get into your clothes. And it also has a 10 kg of weight that you can take on. You can put clothes worth 10 kilos inside over here. And this is state of the art, and you also can upload everything from your app. You can share the app with your family members and everybody can use it over here. Let me tell you more about what this guy has to offer. Now on the front, you've got your soap dispenser where you can add all your soaps and detergents, which goes over here. You've got all the HealthGuard settings over here, ranging from your intensive to your synthetic. And this is where you control the entire machine from. And this is a full digital display. So you get the display on what the machine is doing, what program it is on, what timing, and what the Wi-Fi connection. Everything is displayed on this center over here. And obviously you've got all the different modes. You've got the child lock, you've got everything that's on this side, your start stop. And don't forget, this also comes with a 10-year warranty. And because this is a huge washing machine with a 10 kg load, you've got this big front loading setup. Everything goes in over here and stays nice and clean. Looking to get something like this? Come and check it out at the EROS store.